Hello everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. This is Bijon here. Today I'm going to show you nature art in vector art format. So as usual, I'm going to use Procreate and iPad Air. So let's get started. This is for beginners only, so anyone can watch. So I'm going to use this color and fill the canvas. It's layer 1. I'm going to use another layer. Okay, this color is okay. I'm going to no, that's a down. I have to go up the layer 1. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I'm going to use a different color. As usual, I'm going to use a different color in different layer. So I'm going to use Baskerville from inking brush. I'm going to just draw like that. It's look like a mountain, like this. It's the easiest way to draw. And filled it up, drag the color. I'm going to use another layer, and I'll just go down the color. It's a little bit deep, and I have to do the same thing, but this time little bit lower. The peak size will be little bit lower. No, I think I should have do something. Yep, like this. Yeah. Okay. So you have to do it like that way. Now filled it up. Just drag the color. Okay, so I'm going to use little bit more darker, and this time I'm going to okay, I have to create another layer. This time I'm going to use a different brush. First of all, just draw a line. You have to draw like a maze. You don't need to measure it. Like I am just doing it. If you want to measure it like exactly the same, you can do it. So this time I'm just drawing a line and using the shader brush, and just make it look like a tree, because this is a vector art. This is not a realistic, so don't worry about it. Just you have to do it like that way. See, I have drawn already. Just now drag the color. It's a darker color one, so I'm going to do it like that way. Do it the same thing on the left side as well. Do it like this and drag the color. Yep, it's okay. Okay, so now drag the color. See, it's look nice now. If you can check, already the half of the drawing is complete. It's the easiest drawing. Like anyone can draw. Like either you are artist, you are not, doesn't matter. Anyone can draw. Vector art, it's only the only one option that anyone can draw. Like this kind of art. It's a nature art. You can try. So I'm going to use another color as well as another layer. So draw, like you have to draw the line like that and fill it up as usual. Now I'm going to create another layer, and we'll use another color as well, little bit lighter. It's a green. That's okay. So I have to do the same thing which I did previously. First, I'm going to use a shader brush. Just you have to draw like that. Now it's a Baskerville brush I'm using. Just do it like that way, a little bit shorter, this one, and have to just draw like that, the same thing. So using shader brush, do it like that way and filled it. Then that's it. Okay, it's a mistake. Okay, so you have to fill up like that way. I'm not going to do it this portion on the right side right now, only left side one. And I'm going to use another layer with the different color. Now this time I'm going to use little bit longer one. Same thing as I did previously. Don't worry about that. Just drag the line and hold it. It will straight. See, this time little bit longer, and I have to do it like that way. And do it the same thing. And in this layer, I'm going to draw a tree. Only one tree I have to draw. The left side. Just make it like that way. I have to drag it. Oh, sorry. Okay, so then I'm going to draw tree using Baskerville brush. That will be easiest way for me to draw. This is like a one. This is a little bit thin. I'm going to use a little bit more. Okay, I'm done with this. The lower portion is done. I'm going to fill up the lower portion right now. I have to draw the tree. It's a mountain tree. How it's look like, doesn't matter that you have to draw exactly the same. No, it's like not mandatory. The drawing or painting, whatever it is, it's like you are doing, if it's look good, as I told you in my previous video as well, if it's look good for you and for everyone as well, so it's good. Doesn't matter that you need to draw a tree the exactly the same one. Don't need to do it. I have to just draw like that, because I have to show you the easiest way to draw, so we are going to do it like that way. So like I'm going to use the right hand side portion. It's a little bit lighter color. See this color, yeah, it's good, that's good. And the left side I'm going to use a little bit darker, so it will look prominent. So like when like a tree, the sunlight's coming from either right side or left side, another side will be like a darker, so like that kind of vision I'm doing it. It's not mandatory, it's not a real tree, but yep, it's look like a tree. See, I have already done the lower portion as well as the same thing I'm going to do it. Left hand side I'll use the darker color, this one. Okay, it's good. See, Victor art, it's a Victor art. So as I told you, the Victor art look like this. So as I told you my previous video as well, that Victor art format you can draw anything, either it's a portrait in a difficult situation, in difficult format. Victor art you can draw, either it's nature. This is only this is for beginners, like who don't know how to draw, who don't know anything, they can do it as well. But there is lots of artwork with the help of Victor art format, which is little bit a little bit tough, but yeah, like if you keep practicing you can do it. So I'm going to use another layer using a little bit darker color. Do it the same thing, right hand side little bit bigger, this left hand side little bit shorter. I'm going to use another one underneath this layer. I'm going to use this color, this one. It's so good. Okay, now if you can check this painting properly, it's look good now. As we did I did sorry I'm going to use another layer, and I'm going to use this one, alpha log. So because I'm going to do something, I'm using the airbrushing soft brush, little bit lighter color, this one, opacity down 50%, it's okay. Just draw just drag it something like that, so it's look prominent. Okay, I'm going to use now, see, it's look good now. I have to draw one thing little bit shorter, just do it in this format. I'm going to use a little bit how it's river look like, this portion, because there is a tree. I'm going to use a little bit like this and filled up. Now it's look good. Few of them here as well, few of them here. See, I already drawn something in Victor art format, which is a little bit tough, and it's time taking. This is easy, that's why I'll show you each one of them, and I have already uploaded. Just visit my channel and check it out properly, and do let me know how's it. And this is the easiest way, so I will show you each and everything step by step. So yeah, I told you some of them I'll do it, so it will look like a river. Okay, now I'm going to use a little bit lighter color for the only on the lower portion of there. That's okay. I'm going to use this color, is okay. I'm just draw few ups touch, which is look good then. So okay, so it's enough, I think. A little bit right side, I think it's enough now. I'm going to use little bit darker color for the left hand side as well. Yep, that's few of them here. Okay, I'm done with this. I'm going to use the layer 1. I'm going to use hair brushing first. I'm going to use another layer above the layer 1, and I'm going to create sun, so it will look good. Then let me draw first. I'm going to draw the same thing, just round it and tap from the another hand and the finger. It will oh, my opacity is down. I think like I have to do the same thing. Just tap it from the left hand side. It will be circle. The opacity is down, that's why it's not filled up. Okay, now the circle is it's okay. No, it's filled up. I'm going to use another bloom, like from the adjustment, and bloom it. It's look nice now. See, I told you, like this is the easiest way. If you want to draw anything like this kind of artwork, you can do it. There is no mandatory that you have to do it like anything else. Like do let me know in the comment section. I will guide you how I'm going to draw anything in vector format and how you can do it. Share with your artwork. Okay, so let me do these things first. So last thing I'm going to do it, create another layer, or else the same layer on the lower portion, and draw like something little bit like which is like a grass or a leaf, long leaf, or like a side the river. So you have to do it like that way. I'm going to use the basket brush, and the size will be maximum 50%. That's easy to draw. So you have to do it right side the same thing, left side the same thing. That's it, and your painting is almost done. So do let me know in the comment section how is it, and share your artwork. Mention my channel name. I would love to see your artwork. And thank you so much for your patience once again, and thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in my next video. And please do let me know what I have to draw next time. So according your preference, I will draw something for you. Okay, so anyone can draw, as I told you, this kind of artwork. This is the only easiest way. And if you want to draw anything like hyper realistic, so please visit my channel. I have already shared some videos. Please do let me know. Thank you so much.